Welcome to Guarantee RV, located in Junction City. We're one of the largest RV dealers on the West Coast, and we've been in business for over 53 years. My name is Barb. I'm going to show you about around a little Jayco. It's a 154. Nice little rig, perfect for the Northwest. It's a Baja edition, so you can take it up onto those mountain roads and not have to worry about scraping something off the bottom. It's got a full pneumatic awning that comes all the way down the length of the RV and is allowed to be brought out into the patio position, so you can bring it out, square it out, stake it down, and there's your spot. Jayco's been building for an awful long time. They're a very respected manufacturer, and they're in Elkhart, Indiana. It's nice to be able to have the door open completely. A couple of easy steps right up in here, and here we go. So, if you're looking for an RV that you just want to pop out in, you're going to spend some time outside and not laying around watching the TV, this is a great idea. With the Baja Edition, it'll get you up on those mountain roads or mountain lakes to do some fishing. This little dinette's going to make down into a bed. There's lots of storage above these on these cabinets. You've got an air conditioning system that will easily plug in. You've got some storage up here, a nice little basin, a 2-burner stove, and a Norcold refrigerator. So if you look down in here real quickly, this also offers the freezer, which is really handy to have, just for a pound of hamburger or chicken breast or something like that. Of course, you've got places for your pots and pans and other means right here. This is the heater, another pantry, and we got a couple of bunks here. So we have a bunk on top and a bunk below with an outlet and a light, and then it's got a really nice little bathroom in the back. Now think about this, you guys. This is just a 15-foot trailer. So I'm not very big, but you can fit right in here, take a nice shower, relieve yourself, shake it off, put your shorts on, grab your fishing pole, and head on down to the lake. Hey, my name is Barb, Barbara.Balcom with Guarantee RV. Give me a call. I'd love to visit with you. It's 541-521-4232, and I can tell you more about it when I'm talking to you. Thank you.